Today I'll be teaching you guys how you guys can reset your Gmail password. Pretty simple. First you want to search for Gmail login. Once you search for Gmail login, click on where it says mail.google.com. Now once you're in this step, what you want to do is enter your email. Now whichever email you have, enter that over here. After you enter your Gmail's email, click on next. And on the next step, it's going to ask you to enter the password. Now, since we don't remember our password, we need to click on forgot password. Now, once we click on forgot password, it's going to help us change our password. Now, whichever phone is linked with your Google account is going to send a verification link on your phone. So you want to open your phone and click on the verification link. If you don't want to do this, you can always click and try another way, and you guys can use other way to, verify yourself. You can enter the code which is sent on your recovery Gmail, or if you want to try another way, you can click on it and you can verify yourself through other way as well, as you guys can see like this. But I want to verify myself using my phone because I have my phone in my hand. So I'll use my phone, and on my phone, once I open it, I can click on where it says verify on my phone. Now once I click on verify on my phone, it's going to take me to the next step. Over here, I can click on update password and then enter myself a new password and enter it again to confirm it and click on save password. Once I do that, my new password will be saved, and that is how you guys can reset your Gmail password. It's that simple. So if you guys found our video helpful, then hit the subscribe to our channel one step for future videos like this. I will see you guys next time.